Dito tayo guys. Okay, today is April 26, year 2025. We are here at Robinson Galleria. It's RC Truck Galleria. Okay, I guess you will appreciate this after 20 years. Dahil kami dito, ayan, si Marco. Kasi na, nagkita lang kami kanina. We fly at UP. Ako dito. UP kita mo. Hindi, naka-upload din na sa video ko yung yung helicopter mo. Yan. Franco, Mel and Danny. Ay sayang. Oy, kayo, di kayo dumating dito. Dami namin dito.
Ayan tingnan niyo mga nilalaro namin iba-ibang klase, dami-dami.
Bagong laruan ni Mel.
Hindi.
Kay Mel na to.
Uy, ganda dyan,
Ganda to. Kay Mark.
Daming toys.
Daming toys. Magsawa kayo.
Ayan na, tuloy mo.
Anyway. Ito yung race track namin. Mamaya, we're going to run a wacky racer. So, anything goes. Lahat ng scale. Dami dito and look at those guys playing Okay. That's about it. Mamaya may wacky racer tayo mamaya. Wacky racer.